So I'm going to go over these call to action buttons because they are important. Google really uses these as a way of ranking you. So basically, you just go to the side, you press button, and then it asks you for the name. So you can put any name in there, use a keyword, but the first one at the top of the page, you want to make it so it's a bit of a pressure sell. So buy now to fix your bike or something like that, and then put the link in. I'll just make a link up so you can insert it, and then basically you got a lot of stuff. You can have it filled, outlined, or just text. So I like mine filled for the contrast, so it stands out, and then I like to stretch mine the whole page. But you can have it small, and you can have some text next to it if you really wanted to. You know what I mean? That's handy, but I like mine all the way across the page. So let's say you don't want to send them to a site or a link or a sales page. It's for a customer, they're in an emergency, they want a locksmith. So put get in your car now. Locked out. Get in your car now. You could have put your telephone number in. So you put TEL, the double dot. I don't know what you call that. Colon or something. And then no spaces. And then your number. So plus 44 07 470. I won't put mine in. So just put your phone number in. That will use their phone to phone your phone, obviously. So you've got an urgent call to action at the top. We can also use mailto as well. So mailto, the double dot, email@email.com. So when they click on it, it will go straight to an email and they can email you. So that's it for that. Also, you want it big enough, like these two on a phone are too close together. So being that close together, it's called the fat thumb rule. Basically, I will spread it big enough so that you can press them, but not close enough that you accidentally press the wrong one. So we'll get rid of that one. Also, a good rule is to have it at the top so that is immediately accessible as soon as the page loads. Google is looking for that. So as soon as it loads, within a split second, they see your button. Buy now. To make sure it stands out, obviously, so high contrast. That's pretty obvious. You can change the colours on it, the styles. You can even use an image. So that's on to my next point, the image. Obviously, if you're going to use an image, you want to run it through Squash to make sure it's the right size. I've got a video on Squash. I'll see if I've got any good images I can use. Not really. But I'd use a WhatsApp sign or an email sign for this. See, it's just put a button behind it. But if you use a WhatsApp, you can usually make it smaller. But if not, if you don't want to use that image behind it, you could actually insert. If it wants to go up, image, select, I wish I'd have got a WhatsApp sign now before I used it, but you just make it really small. And say it has click me on here, or it was a WhatsApp sign or a mail sign, you could just link to it like mailto ... email at email.com. Whatever your email address is, don't use that one. So when you click on it, it'll go straight to your email. Well, that's about it. You can use WhatsApp or little mail signs, whatever you want. Also, test it. So whenever you publish, I'm doing this on my site, get your link. Because if it's a dead link, Google will punish you. Not to mention the fact that your customers can't get in contact with you. All right. So I'm going to press that, and it's going to go to my Stripe where people can buy. I'll just test that. It's going to email, it's going to mailto link, and it's asking for your Outlook. I'm not sure if we linked on that one. Yeah, same thing. And obviously, you go to your telephone if you're going to put your telephone number on it. So always test them. If it's dead, it's a waste of time. And then when you get down a bit from the top, I'll probably use the same one on all of these, but because this is a sales page. But on the second one, rather than get access to your vehicle, you want to be less pressured. So maybe on the second one, put need advice. And then learn more about us. Just as you go down the page, make them less and less pressure. So that's about all I can think of, really. And obviously you can put get quote, view specifications, whatever you want. Just have a high pressure sales call to action at the top. Like get access to your vehicle now locked out. Got a leak, emergency electrician. So that's it really. I've gone through everything.